Preparing at dinner now. We've got a couple of Thai dishes, a pre-sort of made Gaeng Keow Wan Gai, which is the Thai green curry, and we're doing Moo Waan, which is sweet pork, and we're doing that with what's it called? Pork belly. Yeah, pork belly. So anyway, let's have a look how we make it.
Do you need onion in the Thai green curry?
Oh, no.
Okay, so just chopping up some of the pork belly now, or she's hacking it, one or the other. Check it out, about 2 hours later, chopped up the chicken for the curry. That's what Mum done in a minute. And then a couple of hours later, she's just finished chopping the pork. Yeah, so check it out. This is the green curry that we're doing. She wanted to try this one, Blue Dragon. Just add chicken, mange tout and mushrooms. I have no idea why you would add mange tout at all. It doesn't go anywhere near a green curry. Mushrooms sometimes, but yeah, there you go then. So here's the ingredients as well if you want to read it. And here's the macros. Macros here is not too bad. 2.4 protein, fiber 3.1, carbohydrates 7.1, and fat 17. So macros are pretty good on this, but yeah, don't follow the vegetables that it says to put in, because that's just weird. And yeah, there you go then. So we're just going to use this and then fry up the rest. Yeah, fry the meat for 1 minute, which you wouldn't do. Pour in coconut milk and bring to the boil. Add the dry ingredients and vegetables. Simmer for 10 minutes. You can't just simmer that. That's just thick. That'd be thick. You must have to add water. I don't know. I can't see where it says water. Okay, you're not doing what it says. It tells you have to fry the chicken first.
Why have to fry?
I don't know. I have to fry. You never fry chicken, do you? Do you ever fry? This is a Thai person. Do you ever fry the chicken first for green curry?
Or maybe they mean about fried chicken with the...
No, maybe.
With the green curry first and then add the...
Yes. But we don't do that, do we? Do we?
No, not
No.
sure.
Okay, she doesn't know. She's man not. Oh my God, seriously? Oh, bloody hell.
Easy to buy. Why have to cook?
Make it healthier. Right, we can do it this way, could I? Put it on in there. There you go, we're just having in the chicken now. No, it doesn't say that. Look, read the instructions. It doesn't say anything about that. It says, how is that enough for 2 people?
That's a good idea. Yeah, that's a good idea.
Oh.
We better wait for a minute.
Well, that's it. Well done. Feel better, mate?
Yeah.
There we go, just added in the green curry paste. As you can see, water's reduced. Starting to get the fat out of the pork belly now. Again, we'll come back to that in a couple of minutes. Okay, check it out, guys. So you can see it's getting a little bit of colour on the pork belly now, so make sure you keep an eye on it. Make sure you're stirring it all the time. You don't want it to get burnt at the bottom. Nice bit of colour now on the pork belly. Just turn down the heat a little bit. Just going to add in the onions. Mixeroonie. She decides to add in coconut sugar. Normally we would do this with like brown erythritol or monk fruit, but she's just added coconut sugar. So obviously if you want to do keto, don't add this stuff. Add, like I say, the brown monk fruit, or monk fruit and brown erythritol. So keep an eye on it, because the sugar burns, unlike the erythritol or monk fruit. Just go liquidy, which is sort of kind of nice when cooking. Okay, so we just added a bit of fish sauce to the green curry, and then obviously we're going to add it into our Moo Waan, right?
Yeah.
Lovely Thai fish sauce, nam blah. Really good, authentic Thai dish, this one. You can really make in England. It's so easy. So give a mix it a rooney again. Add in a couple of the bai mo kurut. Darling.
Huh?
And you put the chilies in, babe.
But for recordation and take it out ก็ได้
Okay, check it out, guys. So there's the green curry. So the green curry is done now. Just added a bit of erythritol, and here's the Moo Waan. Like I say, I would prefer to have made the pork belly crispy, but unfortunately, like, sugar got added, and you can't like make it that crispy after the sugar is added, because it just caramelized and burned. Sorry, caramelized is fine. And so we've added a bit more fish sauce and some of the oyster sauce as well. Check it out. And there we go. And probably get a little sprinkling of black pepper as well. Check it out then, guys. Here's the finished product. We got the Moo Waan and konjac rice. Make sure you use konjac rice or cauliflower rice when cooking the Thai food. Konjac rice tastes way better. And then we got the Gaeng Keow Wan Gai, which is the chicken green curry. And there we go. That is tonight's meal. And we got a little bit of a naughty treat afterwards. I think for an English one, it's not terrible. Not terrible. It's yeah, green curry is not too bad. It's a little bit dry. It's not like 100% sort of genuine, but don't put the what was it, the mange tout they said?
No, that seems a bit weird anyway.
Yeah, mange tout. Why would you put that in a green curry? Do not do that with a green curry. But yeah, apart from that, it was all right. It was all right. You enjoyed it? Yeah. There you go. It's got bai mo kurut in it, which is kaffir lime leaf.
I don't mind. I like cafe lime.
Yeah, Mum likes cafe lime. This. What do you think of the Moo Waan?
It's nice. It's nice with coconut sugar in it.
Yeah. What do you think of the green curry first?
It's not bad but
2 hours later.
it's not original 100% but it's not bad yeah
Have it again?
maybe
Okay, then what about the Moo Waan then?
it's okay so
Okay, sweet. Yeah, let's go Moo Waan.